don't think that one's gonna fit in there? It ain't that tall. I think it'll be fine. You seem to know. You got like 2 feet. Workflow is going pretty well today. They got the Jaguar F-Type all done with the paint protection film. They're gonna start polishing it, putting crystal serum, G-Technique on it. The Mustang, Edgar's kind of working back and forth a little bit. He's doing a little bit of training, a little bit of washing, and then getting that Mustang done. We got that one for a couple days, so it's not a rush. Working on the Tesla Model 3, getting that correction and coated. A couple window tint cars that need to be out here this afternoon. Paint protection film guys are working on a Model X, and that Stingray that's been in here that's getting just front end paint protection replaced on the front bumper, and then the mirror and the side. Truck in for a wash. It's a beautiful day outside. It's great to be alive. All right, we're gonna do some wet sanding on this SVT Mustang. It's got a paint blemish up here, and you can kind of see it. You can almost feel it. I can feel the texture to it. And we're gonna sand it down, see if we can remove it. A good friend of mine taught me that you wanna sand to improve, not sand to remove, which means we don't wanna go too far. We don't wanna burn the paint. We just wanna see if we can improve this blemish. And I'm hopeful because I can feel it on top. I don't know what exactly dripped on there or sat on there, but it looks like a lot of little pinholes, and then you can see kind of a circular etch in the middle there, or etch on the outside. So let's see what we can do to it. This is 2500 grit sandpaper with the KXK sanding block here. We're just gonna lightly sand it. You don't wanna put too much pressure on here. When you're sanding, you wanna keep this paper as flat as possible. If you start going on the edge, you'll start digging into the paint. It's gonna be harder to polish it out. It looks better, it's harder to find. But if you get right up on it, you can still see all these little tiny pinholes of something that kind of sat on there for a while. But you bringing this out in the sun, I don't think it's not gonna stand out like it did before. This one will get polished today and putting crystal serum ultra on it.
Who put those so low? Just be careful. Who put those so low?
You okay, Jimmy?
I'm okay.
While the guys are polishing out the Tesla Model 3, Tadas is in the prep bay training some new employees with this big space that we have, the new big space. We have plenty of room. I remember last year we were out almost 3 months in the summer, and we literally had to turn people away, which was not a good feeling. Not a problem anymore. We got all the space in the world. If you guys want to check out the Dream Shop build and see how we got here, we'll put a link up above for you.
Hey, I'm Arby. I'm a tint installer here at Chicago Auto Pros, and today I'm installing Pinnacle 35 on this Honda Civic Si.
It's me and Amy's anniversary today. Amy, she hates being on camera. Amy helped me started in this industry, this business, when we started our mobile detailing business. She gave me the money when nobody else believed in me to do it, and I really appreciate that. Thank you. We've been through a lot together, And every time we seem to get down, we get back up and we fight. Same thing with the business. There's been a lot of ups and downs in the business, but we're here, we're making it. I just want to say thank you, happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
We're taking off early actually today. I got a special surprise for Amy. She doesn't know, so we'll go to lunch early and then we'll have a special surprise for you.
I can't wait. I'm a little nervous though.
Segment, how to fold the towel correctly.
Well, look at here. You have to do this, and then you have to do that. Voila.
Why are you making them like that?
What?
Doing a switcheroo with the BMW X5 and the Jaguar F-Type. The X5 is ready for paint protection film. It's also gonna get some window tint. And then the Jaguar has already got the paint protection film on the front end. That one's gonna get prepped, polished, and ready for ceramic coating. Doesn't the F-Type look good?
Yeah, that thing is nice.
We've done a bunch of E-Types, and I've never really been a fan of the E-Types, but these new F-Types, man, whoo, hot damn! Focus. We're gonna head out of here, all right? I'll be here tomorrow, okay?
What you doing there? We'll find out.
Yes.
Does this have film on it?
So, somebody crashed into him, but now we have to replace the front bumper film, the hood, and the rear bumper piece.
Cool.
I tried to do everything on my side. I'll just lay the edges down in the morning, call it a day. I'll whip the camera and then that's the end of the day.
On the next episode,